Between 2019 and 2024, there is a growth of 800% in India's defense exports. In 2024, we exported 35,000 rupees crores for 85 countries across continents. India is one of the top 25 defense exporters globally. 80% of defense export growth is attributable to private industry. It encompasses missiles, rockets, torpedoes, artillery, guns, drones, etc. Advantages to India being a defense exporter is huge. Atmanirbhar Bharat reduced our import dependency from 46% of defense spending to 36.7% by December 2022. It has increased our forex earnings and it has substituted the imports of defense products. Greater integration with global defense supply chain with countries like USA and France. Strategic independence is important when geopolitical tensions are escalating. It increases India's strategic position and diplomatic relations. India can be a key player or power in Indo-Pacific. For instance, it enhances the role of Indian shipyards in servicing US and European naval forces. What are the factors contributing to immense growth in India's defense exports? India's powers in software and AI in defense fulfills the requirement of modern warfare shift towards tech-driven capabilities, attracting global defense OEMs. Decline in Chinese arms exports due to quality and performance issues in Myanmar, Nigeria and Pakistan, thus opening up new opportunities for India. There is a frequent push from government side through initiatives like IDEX, Defense Production and Export Promotion Policy, Positive Indigenization List and Defense Export Steering Committee, encouraging private sector participation and streamlining export permissions to minimize delays, like online system for export inquiries and open general export license and opening up 74% of FDI to defense through automatic route. Liberal defense line of credits, repositioning of Defense Expo and Aero India as global showcases have played a crucial role for Indian defense innovations. Two industrial defense corridors are being established in Tamil Nadu and Uttar Pradesh, intending to increase indigenization of defense products and increasing exports. There are some challenges to India's defense exports. Bureaucratic resistance and outdated practices, especially by DRDO, blocks private sector integration into defense manufacturing and it deters innovation. There is frequent delays and cost overruns in manufacturing. For example, Ministry of Defense data shows that 23 out of 55 DRDO mission mode projects have shown delayed. Insufficient funding for research and development. For example, Israel spends 4.8% of its GDP in research and development, whereas India spends just 0.65%. Suggestions to increase defense exports. Simplification of rules for government-to-government sales, integrating defense, education and startup sector. This can contribute to rising India's global positioning.